Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review this small vacuum. It comes in this box and it can be used actually for the apartment, house or the car. It's type C, quick charge actually. It has a lithium battery and is a kind of very high power vacuum, so to say. Well, let's open it up. Well, let's have a look at here as well if there's anything we are missing. So it can be carried over, it has the LED light, it can actually basically suck quite very strong and it's quite okay, so it's not really that loud. Now let's open up the box and see what we have got inside. So the box is a little bit big actually, you can feel here so it cannot stay. So let's open it up. So this is how it looks like. Let's start with the user manual in here, see what we have got. So that's the vacuum cleaner. So it has German, French, Italian and English at the end. That's quite interesting because usually English is in the beginning, so in this case it's at the end. Let's go to the end. There we go. And we have the dust box number 1, so the HEPA filter, which is this one. So this is the HEPA filter. This one is the, well, I don't know the name of it according to this. So it's got number 6, flat nozzle. Okay. This is the number 9, so it's a connector. This is number 10, is the hose. This one is the brush, let's see, brush nozzle. This one is the small brush nozzle. This one is actually a small one for cleaning, is kind of cleaning brush. So USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And this is the vacuum itself. Let's remove it from the box. Okay. Let's open it up. Quite nice, I would say. Very light. I like the design actually, pretty cool. So it has 2 filters. This is the second filter actually. It comes with one in here, indeed, and very easy to close it as well. A little bit, I would say, hard to close here. Yeah, there we go. All right, so I should have pushed it from here first. Good. Let's open it one more time, try it. Yeah. From the bottom first and then from top. Perfect. So pretty cool, I would say. So we can remove this as well. Let's see. It's a very nice and shiny plastic actually here. Pretty cool. There we go. So this is the head. And one thing which I quickly noticed is actually this flap in here should be by default closed. Let's remove it and check it out together. So if I remove the filter, there we go. So this is the flap actually, which should be by default closed. And when you basically vacuum it, so this flap will open in here, but by default should be closed. But actually it's not really completely closed, which means the dust can theoretically be thrown out. But what I like is actually it has like 2 filters. That's really good. So let's put this back. Pretty simple. Just push it down in here. This goes in here and you press from top. That's it. Let's turn it on. Wow, very strong. So the filtered air comes out from here actually, and a little bit out of everywhere from here as well. So you turn it on like this. I'm not sure why is it blinking? Probably no battery. No. 1, 2. So it has 2 modes basically, but really strong, really strong. So when I try it on my hand, On the second one, very strong, and it has a small LED as well, so it helps you see what you are cleaning. Really cool, actually. I like it. Let's see if there's anything specific here about the product which we are missing here. No, not at this in here. Let's see if we have some information about the battery, how big it is. Not all right. So here, so 11 volt, 120 watt, relatively powerful for a small vacuum. 8000 milliamperes, so for 120 watt, it's pretty good. I think for like 1, 2, 3 times, I mean, like using of normal usage should be completely fine. I'm going to use this for a car actually, and I know it pretty well because I have had these ones. I mean, like the older versions of these small vacuums, and they are really good. They can be used for a couple of years. So usually at the end, I have had problems with the battery. The hardware is perfectly fine. The engine is great. I mean, filter gets dirty. So the problem is these filters are not really unique. So I remember I had some problems finding the right filter for that. Nevertheless, great products can be used for a couple of years. Hope you liked the video. If so, give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos coming up. See you in the next video. Until then, take care, thank you, and bye bye.